She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as Natural Rain, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. You guys have been asking me about my skincare routine for a while, and I hesitated at first because it is very simple, but then I thought that's one of the things that makes it great is that it's simple, easy to follow, and it's not very expensive at all. Super cheap. I was looking out for y'all. And me. I was also looking out for myself. I have pretty dry, sensitive skin, so my face will turn red easily, and it's just dry for the most part. Also, disclaimer, these are the things that I use for my skin. You use what you use for your skin. And also, if you see things in this routine that you like, you don't have to use my entire routine, but if you see something that you like, you can be like, oh, I'm gonna give that a try, or oh, I think my skin will react well to that. You don't have to be like, I have to do her routine from beginning to end or else the end of the world. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So the first thing I recommend if you have hair all over your face is to take a ponytail holder or whatever you use and get it out of your face. Typically, I don't use makeup, but sometimes I might use a tinted moisturizer, anything with some color that needs to be taken off of my face. I use baby wipes. They work just as well as regular face wipes, and it doesn't even matter the brand. This is by Equate because it's super cheap, but it really doesn't even matter. I'm gonna use these face wipes first before I try to cleanse my face because I'm not trying to get my spin brush dirty, none of that. So first I'm gonna make sure that my face is damp before I apply this cleanser, but I just go in with the Mario Badescu Skincare Enzyme Cleaning Gel. I've been using it for a while, and it takes a while to use up because I think it's legit been almost a year. If you're looking for an alternative to those expensive spin brushes, I recommend the Ulta one. It does what it's supposed to do. It was like $20, I think, so definitely worth it. Me personally, cheap and quality is for me. And it has like settings. It stops when you're supposed to stop putting it on your face, so I definitely would recommend this one. So now that my face is damp, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my cleanser to this brush right here. Doop, 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 doop. And I'm not going crazy with the amount, just like that much. Oh, one thing I also like about this cleanser is that it doesn't suds up, because I don't know if I'm just accident prone, but I don't want it to get in my eyes, and I always feel like when it suds up, it's gonna get in my eyes, and I can't do like those Neutrogena commercials where they're like, oh, and then it just like splashes, gets all the soap off, but none of the soap gets in their eye magically. Like, I can't do that. So I like it with no suds. I know that some people feel like when they don't get suds, their face isn't actually getting clean, but my face feels very, very clean after using it, even though it doesn't suds up. So I'm gonna go rinse this off, and then I'll be right back. Once you rinse off the cleanser, I recommend taking a towel and just patting your face dry. Like, don't rub it on your face. At least that doesn't work for me because I have sensitive skin. I just pat it in. Now it's face mask time, and I'm gonna be taking the apple cider vinegar mask by Freeman's. I really, really, really like this mask. It sucks all the impurities just out. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really great. And it tones all at the same time. You can also use this as a face scrub. So it's a face scrub and a face mask, like duality. I'm with that. So I'm gonna leave this mask on my face for about 5 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it off.
I get right, he ain't acting right. But I'm superwoman, needs a Superman. Here I am.
I don't know if y'all can peep, but my like range of motion in my face is starting to go ahead and tighten up a little bit, so it's about time to rinse this mask off. Now that I went ahead and took off the mask, again, I'm just gonna pat my face dry. I'm going to take this self-concocted toner. It's basically just aloe vera and water mixed together. Shake it up and spray it on my face. And then I literally wait for it to just like soak into my face before I go on to the next step. For my toner, I go in with Witch Hazel. This also just pulls all the impurities out. I barely have any left because I love it so much. It's great. Then I just take a cotton ball. This helps with acne, like clearing acne really well, because what it does is it literally just dries it up. So you can also use this as a spot treatment. If you notice like, oh, I have a pimple right here, then you can just spot treatment it up to death until it dries out. And then, oh, y'all seeing this glow? The glow is coming, it is coming. And then my final step, I use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So I have dry skin, so this is really great, but I heard it's great for both skin types, but I know personally it's great for dry skin because it doesn't make me feel oily because it's trying to overcompensate for how dry my skin is. It just makes me feel fresh and moisturized. So I'm just gonna take like a pump and a half and apply that. So this next step is completely optional if you really want like more of a pumped up glow. Now, like I said, I don't really wear makeup, but I do like to glow, honey, and I am glowing right now. Like, the glow is on and official, but if you want to add a little bit more of a glow, I recommend taking your moisturizer and mixing it with a highlighter. You know, mine is the What's Up Benefit highlighter, but you do not have to use this one. You could just take a highlighter that you already like and mix it with your favorite moisturizer for a glow. So I'm just gonna take one pump. I'm almost out, so like my one pump isn't really the one pump, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just gonna take this and rub it. My hands are clean. And then move them around. And you see it's like pink, kind of like the highlighter is. Okay, and then the last step I do is I just take some chapstick, because that's important. Really important. Give me a second. Okay. So I don't know if you guys noticed the difference when I added the highlighter, but I definitely do. It's just like a little subtle glow, and I'm with that. I really hope you guys enjoyed my face routine. I know that you guys have been asking me for it for a long time, and I just finally am now getting it up. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the simplicity of it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.